Hi guys, this is Reshwan and you're watching Chat Tutorials. Hope you guys are doing very well. And today I'm going to start a new Java playlist in this channel. And before diving into Java, we'll frame some WH questions in it. What is Java? Java is a high-level programming language which is developed by Sun Microsystems in the year of 1995. So if you see what is meant by a high-level programming language. So there are two types of programming language. One is high level and second is low level. High level means which the programming language which can be understandable by humans by naked eye, and low level means which can't be understandable by human eye. So in real time, if you see, we have a lot of programming languages like Java, C, C++, Python, a lot of things. Then why we need to use Java? So any programming language can be selected by programmers based on the advantages and the features it has. So in Java, it is a static programming language. So what is meant by static programming language? So here also we have two types of programming language. One is static and dynamic. Static means the data types which we have when we have to write a code, we have to mention the data type of the variable. And program and like programming language like Python, JavaScript is a dynamic programming language. So we don't need to mention any data type for the variable. And suppose the multi-threading. So in Java, we can run multiple tasks at single time parallelly, and it has a collection framework, so it supports collections and collection framework. So later you will understand what is collection and collection framework. And Java is very easy to use and learn. And in Java it follows the OOPS concepts. So what is mean by OOPS? So everything is in Java, it's everything like a class and objects. So and this is compiler language, so because it's a compiler language, it's very fast to run. So unlike like interpreter language. And in real time, where do you use Java? So Java is used to build out some applications like desktop, web applications, mobile applications, GUI applications, gaming applications. So I hope everyone knows each and every applications. And if you have any doubts like what is GUI applications. So if you see any like if you go to any ATM, so you will see the UI right in the ATM machine. So that is developed by GUI. It is nothing but graphical user interface. So now we have seen like where we use Java, right? And how we can achieve those things. So in Java, there are three types of categories, like three types of editions. One is standard edition, second is enterprise edition, third is micro edition. So by using standard edition, you can build a simple program like any some console applications or desktop applications. And by using enterprise edition, you can create web applications. And by using micro editions, you can build mobile applications. So hope you guys got some basic idea what is Java, right? So in the next video, we will check how to install and how to use Java.